You know, a lot of times when you've been doing something since you were a kid, you kind of become desensitized to it. For instance, like if a kid in his teenage years, starts smoking, of course, illegally or whatever, but or they start drinking or whatever from a really young age, then they become desensitized to it. It's kind of like it's not a big deal. And that is where our personality comes from things that we do as a kid become deeply ingrained in us as a second nature. And that begins to show up more and more. The older we get, the more influence we get, we become set in our ways, as they say.